What is going on, my YouTube friends? So I'm back out in the garage again today, working on the Fairmont. I had to set the engine back some, so that way it'd line up with the trans mount and everything. I got the headers on. I still have to put the collectors on the passenger side. Yeah, these headers they're definitely a puzzle. You know what I'm saying? But I got it. I just gotta get time to get up underneath there and do it again. I'm too wore out today, man. We had that picnic yesterday, man, and whew, we worked. But that's okay. We had a good time. So let me turn this. So I got the headers on this side. Like I said, it's a puzzle because you got to put, the last one on, and then the second one on, and then the third one on, and then the first one on. I'm telling you, and they're numbered, so you know which one goes where. But like I said, you have to get in there and that. And I got to tighten them down. I haven't tightened them down yet. I had to change the motor mounts around, set the motor back, and I had to go back about an inch, so that way I could get everything lined up with the trans mount, which I got that trans mount in. I got it all hooked up, but I need to loosen the motor mounts back up so I can center the trans mount a little bit better than tighten it down. But I got the collector pretty much on this one, so we're getting things done. And I figured I'd show you guys where I'm at, because once I get the headers and stuff on there, I can hook up the fuel line and getting all that taken care of, and go underneath and get that taken care of, because that way I can run it away from the heat from the headers and stuff. So yeah, buddy, we're getting her done. So let me get in the house and I'll bring you guys back. Man, I'm telling you, it's a beautiful day today. Today would have been a good day to take the bike out for a ride, but I didn't. So anyhow, we got both headers on. We got all the pipes and everything on. I got to get the collectors on there all the way and secure them. The engine's kind of twisted a little bit, so I got to get that straightened out so I can get the trans bolts in and get that mounted up good. I'm going to start getting everything tightened up, so that way when he does the wiring harness, everything will be ready to go. I haven't seen him, I haven't talked to him because I haven't called him. So once I give Larry a call, he'll be over here and take care of it for me. We're not worried about that. But anyhow, guys, I appreciate you watching my videos. You guys are awesome. If anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. I'm pooped out. Yesterday we was out in the sun all day, and I've been out in the garage all day today. Yeah, buddy.